Imagine making your dream of financial freedom come true by utilizing one powerful strategy that assures the safety of your financial future and its solid growth. This isn't just any average plan. It's the time-tested strategy of dividend investing, a tactic that has quietly boosted the investment portfolios of the smart and patient among us. The beauty of dividends lies in their power to provide investors with attractive returns while protecting their hard-earned savings. This is why Howard Marks, a renowned investor known for his aptitude for steering through market waves and uncovering hidden investment gems, holds a significant portion of dividend stocks. To know about the 10 dividend stocks recommended by Howard Marks, subscribe to the channel and here we go. Since 1926, dividends have accounted for roughly 32% of the S&P 500's total return. But the appeal of dividends goes beyond simple figures. Dividends reflect a portion of the company's earnings, directly rewarding you, as a shareholder, for your faith and investment. It's akin to owning a golden goose that regularly lays golden eggs. Today, we'll explore Marx's playbook, seeking out dividend stocks that are not just good, but also golden. You purchase these stocks once and then retain them indefinitely, allowing them to generate a consistent stream of income month after month just for you. But before that, let's understand a concept that Marx strongly advocates, the concept of stock price volatility. Stock prices tend to fluctuate on a daily basis, sometimes even hourly. But what remains constant is the company's ability to distribute dividends. So even if your stocks experience wild swings in market price, as long as the underlying company continues to perform well and pay dividends, you are still on track to receive a steady income. This is why dividend stocks are considered a stable and reliable investment option. Now let's dive into the top 10 dividend stocks handpicked by Howard Marks that you can buy and hold forever. Number 10. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited, NYSE, TSM. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited is a well-known seller and creator of semiconductors and circuits. It also provides account management, engineering, and customer services. It recently shared its financial stats for April 2024. The company's consolidated net revenue for this month was NT 111.32 billion. This is a 13.8% dip from the month before, but also indicates a 16% increase from the same month last year. Looking at their revenue from January to recently, they made another big announcement. The company plans to expand by adding 5 new chip-making factories in Arizona as a part of a $12 billion project. This move is in response to a request by the U.S. government. Once this wafer fab, or fabrication plant, is in full production mode, it's estimated to produce around 20,000 wafers every month. Number 9. MGIC Investment Corporation, NYSE, MTG. MGIC Investment Corporation has built quite a reputation for offering private mortgage insurance through its subsidiary companies. It has a significant presence in Guam, Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Recently, MTG announced its financial and operational outcomes for the first quarter of 2021. The net income was slightly higher than anticipated, at 43 cents per diluted share, equivalent to $150 million. This is slightly higher than the 42 cents per diluted share, or $149.8 million they recorded in Q1 of 2022. The MGIC Investment Corporation's board has made the delightful announcement of a quarterly cash dividend of 6 cents per share. The corporation maintains a buy rating, and the average target price for its shares is predicted to be around $13.67. This speaks volumes about their strong market position and potential for growth. Number 8. Procter & Gamble Co., NYSE. Procter & Gamble Company is a multinational corporation that manufactures and sells personal care and consumer health goods. They have successfully managed to keep the revenues flowing for over 180 years now. In addition to its impressive financials and growth potential, P&G has consistently increased its dividend payout for 64 consecutive years. This is a testament to its commitment to rewarding shareholders with stable and increasing dividends. Howard Marks recognizes this as a key factor in choosing Procter & Gamble as one of his top dividend stocks. Number 7. The Coca-Cola Company. Coca-Cola is a global beverage giant in the business for over 135 years. They offer an extensive range of non-alcoholic beverages and are known for their iconic brand, Coca-Cola. In Q1 of 2024, Coca-Cola reported net revenue of $9 billion, a 5% growth compared to the same period last year. Diluted earnings per share were also reported at 50 cents, a 13% increase from Q1 of 2022. What's more impressive is that Coca-Cola has been paying dividends for over 98 years and has increased its dividend payout for the past 59 consecutive years. This makes Coca-Cola a top choice for long-term dividend investors, including Howard Marks. With its strong financial performance and long-standing dividend payment history, Coca-Cola remains a reliable investment option for those looking for stable and growing dividends. Number 6. Johnson & Johnson, NYSE JNJ. Johnson & Johnson is a global healthcare company that has been in operation since the late 1800s. They are known for their wide range of consumer health products, medical devices, and pharmaceuticals. In Q1 of 2022, Johnson & Johnson reported net revenue of $23.3 billion, a 7.9% increase from the same period last year. Their diluted earnings per share were also reported at $2.59, a 12.6% increase from Q1 of 2022. Besides their strong financial performance, Johnson & Johnson has consistently increased its dividend payout for the past 59 consecutive years. In addition to this, they have a strong pipeline of new products and innovations in the works, making them a top pick for long-term dividend investors like Howard Marks. Number 5. OASIS Petroleum Inc., NASDAQ OAS. OASIS Petroleum Inc., a standalone production and exploration firm, is passionate about discovering and securing natural gas and unconventional oil resources in the United States. In May 2023, the company recently announced a significant move in agreement with Diamondback Energy Inc. They agreed to obtain assets located in Williston Basin, which is owned by Diamondback Energy Inc. This exciting deal is estimated at a whopping $745 million. Number 4. Americold Realty Trust, NYSE Cold. Let's talk about this publicly traded REIT, Americold Realty Trust. It mainly specializes in running cold storage warehouses. Here's some exciting news. According to the portfolio of renowned investor Howard Marks, it's made its way onto the top 10 list of best dividend stocks to buy. Now, onto the good stuff, the numbers. The company recently unveiled its financial results for the first quarter of 2023, and there's a lot to be happy about. Total revenue was a staggering $634.8 million, which doesn't just sound impressive, it's a substantial 31.1% leap from last year. And that's not all. Americold Realty Trust made a new dividend announcement. It's a positive one, showing a 4.8% rise. This means that the annual dividend rate now stands at 88 cents. That's a pretty attractive figure for anyone looking to invest in dividend stocks. Number 3. Movil SAB DAY-CV, NYSE AMX. Movil SAB DAY-CV is a big name in the telecommunications industry in Latin America and other parts of the world. They recently put out their financial results, which gave us some great insight into their growth. The exciting news is that they've managed to add a whopping 6 million new wireless users. In another interesting development, Movil's board has decided to implement a spin-off plan in their Latin American operations and in other countries where they function. What this means is they're planning to separate out some parts of the business to operate independently from the main body of Movil. This move isn't just for show. It is anticipated to enhance the value of infrastructure since these new entities will be self-reliant. In simple terms, this could essentially mean better services and more innovation. Number 2. Apple Inc., NASDAQ AAPL. It's no surprise that Apple, one of the world's leading technology companies, has made it onto our list of top dividend stocks to buy. Their financial performance and growth potential have caught the eye of investors like Howard Marks. In Q1 of 2022, Apple reported a net revenue of $89.6 billion, showing an 11% increase from last year. Their diluted earnings per share were also reported at $1.40, indicating a 35% increase from Q1 of 2022. Number 1. Microsoft Corporation, NASDAQ MSFT. Topping the list is another technology giant, Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft has become a household name with its wide range of products and services, including the popular Windows operating system and Office suite. In Q1 of 2022, Microsoft reported a net revenue of $37.2 billion, showing a 12% increase from the same period last year. Their diluted earnings per share were also reported at $1.82, indicating a 30% increase from Q1 of 2022. However, what makes Microsoft stand out among dividend investors like Howard Marks is its consistent and growing dividend payouts in 2024. They have been paying dividends for over 25 years and have consistently increased their dividend payout for the past 19 consecutive years. So, these were the top 10 dividend stocks to buy in 2024, according to expert investor Howard Marks. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more investment tips and news.